Who are the top 5 richest video game CEOs? Ever wondered how these gaming powers made their futures? Join us as we unveil the secrets of their wealth and dive into their extraordinary journeys. Number 5 on our list is Riccardo Zacconi, the big boss of King Digital. He has a big amount, $548 million in his money box. You might know him as the clever person who made Candy Crush, the game loved by everyone. Now let's talk about Riccardo's story. Imagine it's like going on a fun roller coaster at an amusement park. Sometimes it goes up high, and sometimes it goes down low. Just like that, Riccardo Zacconi's journey had its ups and downs. At the beginning, Riccardo did great, and King Digital became a big deal in the gaming world. But then, in March 2014, the company did something called an IPO. That's when they began selling parts of the company to regular people like you and me. After that, things became a little unclear or not sure what would happen next. But hold on, there's more to come. Stay tuned to find out who's next in the lineup and how they reached their incredible riches. In the 4th spot, let's talk about Melvin Morris. He's got a big amount of money, $627 million to be exact. He didn't get all this money in one go, though. He started by making a bunch of cash when he created a dating website called udate.com. People used it to find love and make connections. But that's not where his story ends. He also helped start a company that makes fun and easy games in London. One of those games is the super famous Candy Crush saga. You might have played it. It's the one with all those colorful candies you match up. Here's the twist in the story, though. Even though Melvin was a big deal at King, he decided to step down from his job as the chairman. That's like being the big boss of the company. Now everyone is wondering, what's Melvin going to do next? It's like a mystery waiting to be solved. Will he start a new project, or will he take a well-deserved break? Only time will tell. But wait, before we reveal the top 3, let's take a moment to reflect on the remarkable journey these CEOs have undertaken to achieve their wealth. Number 3 on our list is Mark Pincus, the co-founder and former CEO of Zynga, having a big pile of money, $990 million. While he may not be as wealthy as he once was during the Farmville heydays, his early investments in Napster, Twitter, and Facebook have certainly kept him floating. The gaming industry is full of surprises, and Mark Pincus's story is no exception. Now, let's talk about the person in the 2nd spot, Marcus Persson. He's the mastermind who created Minecraft, the game that many people love. He didn't just create it. He also owned a big piece of a company called Mojang, about 71% of it. Here's where his story gets super interesting. Marcus hit the jackpot when he sold Mojang to Microsoft, and they gave him a massive $2.5 billion in cold, hard cash. It's like winning the biggest lottery prize ever. If you're curious about how this gigantic deal happened, you should check out Forbes magazine's special story from March 23, 2015. The story is all about what Marcus Persson did after he made a mountain of money from Minecraft. But now, brace yourselves for the grand finale. Who could possibly claim the number 1 spot as the richest video game CEO? The answer will leave you surprised. Now let's reach the very top of our list. Imagine there's a king in the world of video game CEOs, and his name is Gabe Newell. He has a shocking amount of money, $1.3 billion. He's like the boss of all bosses. Gabe owns more than half of a big company called Valve, which is located in Bellevue, Washington. Valve created something super important called Steam. It's like the main place where people buy and download video games online. Steam is like the coolest game store on the internet. And that's not all. Valve also made some incredible games that everyone loves, like Half-Life, Portal, and Left 4 Dead. These games have won the hearts of both experts and fans. So, you can see why Gabe Newell is the top dog in the world of video game CEOs. And there you have it, the top 5 richest video game CEOs, each with a unique path to wealth and success in the gaming world. Their stories serve as an inspiration to all aspiring gamers and entrepreneurs. Stay curious and keep exploring the exciting world of video games. Until next time, keep gaming and keep dreaming.